the monkey. The monkey has landed. So the reason this tree's got to go is that big knot right behind Max there. Rotten knot is that big set of branches leaning right over the kid's bedroom. Not good. And that's how it's going to come down, one piece at a time. One thing you got to watch for is there's a third line from the end of the boom there that gives you your boom extension numbers. And if you break that, you lost your indicator. Feed it to the chipper. Relaunching backs here. Set him up for the next cut. Okay, he's got it secured in two spots over there, the crane, and he's going to cut it way down here. Take another giant piece of this oak tree out. Now Max is tying himself off there and going to release himself from the crane. And that knot right there is the problem area. Here's the dangerous part here. As soon as that branch cuts loose, that giant swinging branch can take a climber out real easy. We got it. Picked up and get safely out of the way. Right up and over the top of the house. Look at, we got Jared on the scene, man. Doing the aerial footage. Jared, what's the name of your website again?
Flyforvideo.com.
Flyforvideo.com.
Number 4. Fly4video.com.
Look at that. Oh yeah, he's got it going right there. Look at that. Running the drone right there. Getting aerial footage for you. We're resetting Max now for another whack on the tree. Okay, another big critical cut. The big branch over the house. Yeah, right above the problem area. The big rotten knot.
I see. Okay, now I understand.
Now The most dangerous part is when that branch gets cut loose and starts swinging around.
I think I'll back up.
Now here's where Max has got to really look out. Okay, it's free. He's got it.
Wow.
Look out. Launch the monkey! Launch the drone!
That is wild.
Because it's a long way to the top. Okay, Max is getting the crane strapped onto another branch and he'll get reset and cut another big chunk of this tree down. Here comes the last big piece that's hanging over the house. Max up there behind that branch sawing away. And the crane attached right there. And it's off. Here's the dangerous part. Swinging around. Safely out of the way. There it goes. Careful, dude. Good. Out of the way. Nice.
And the reason that we catch it instead of letting it land,
Yeah.
when it hits that ground, you get a whole bunch of extra air pressure, which makes it want to float and
Right.
flip.
Ground effect.
And just a little bit of side wind, and they tumble like a tumbleweed. And then you
Oh,
gotta replace all your propellers,
yeah.
and it gets expensive. So.
Just catch them and keep your hands out of the prop.
Yeah.
Well, if you see a tall kid, tall teenager,
Watch out overhead. Overhead.
How come I don't get a hat? You want to grab your GoPro?
Yeah. There it goes. Here. We got our own reality TV show. Thomas in his new $1,400 Stihl chainsaw. Get the big piece out.
wonder what the condition of the tree is.
Yeah, we're gonna find out real quick. Here comes the cast and crew.
Look at the flying fish.
Yeah. it went the wrong way. It pinched the saw. Oh, no.
Crane operators.
You're right, Jenny. Oh, you can feel that, huh? There it is.
Where's he gonna take it? Oh my gosh. Where's he gonna take it?
Front row. Got a flame out of the crane truck. Hey, Pete. Whoa. That's it. Lay her down gently.
There she lays. Oh, now we can cry.
That's right, Pete. We got lots more trees, don't we?
We might one day.
Big chunk of tree. And it's got a lot of tension on it, pulled right towards Max. Yeah. Way up high there. Look out. And that is the dangerous part of doing this job. He's got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Parts of it are threatening to fail. That's sketchy. Oh boy. That was a twister. Right over the house. This one's gonna fly when it cuts loose. Gonna be swinging right towards us now. Look out. Good job. Snatched it right out of there.
It's trouble. It's trouble. It's trouble.